Good afternoon, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, July 18 to 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the graph set we created last night until today, Monday. Lots of thunderstorms will still persist across the country, which is due to the La Niña phenomenon. And likewise, this localized thunderstorms is now transforming into a new surface trough. We're going to show to you in a while, but it's not expected to develop into a low pressure system. And we have here a southwesterly surface wind flow. This is a weak Habagat affecting the Calayan Island group and most parts of the South China and West Philippine seas, as well as the Batanes and Babuyan group of islands. Some light winds but good weather will be expected across these areas with some rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly here over the Calayan Island group and the rest of the Spratlys, where building thunderstorms will be expected, as well as the development of a surface trough, which we're going to show to you in a while. Outside of Paro, we also have another surface trough moving across Palau and Yap, and the intertropical convergence zone all across the Micronesian islands, all the way over the Marshall Islands, with another trough here over Pohnpei, Cochrane area. And we have a developing frontal system over the Korean Peninsula moving towards Japan. And as we look at the fast animation, here you go. This is the developing surface trough over the Visayas from Central Luzon down to Mindanao, extending all the way across Palawan and the West Philippine Sea. And another surface trough here developing to the south of Guam. But these two surface troughs will not develop into a low pressure area, but we will absorb this area of convection within the next 24 hours. And as we look at the zoom in satellite animation, there you go. Lots of thunderstorms will be expected in the afternoon through the early evening across various sections of the country, particularly over Palawan, the West Philippine Sea, Calayan Island Group, and Sulu Archipelago, and also across Mindoro, Western Visayas, and Western Mindanao. This is due to the development of the surface trough right here. There's no LPA as of this time. And if we take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, it's all the same. Every afternoon until Thursday, we expect these localized thunderstorms to persist because it is induced by the prevailing La Niña phenomenon, which is at this time at 75%. So tomorrow afternoon, we expect that. By Wednesday afternoon as well, you can clearly see here very strong thunderstorm over central Luzon up to the western sections of northern Luzon and also Metro Manila, Calabarzon area, and some thunderstorms as well across portions of the Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao. And also on Thursday afternoon, thunderstorms will again persist all across the country, becoming more frequent over Mindanao. And for the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days through Thursday, expect this wide swath of rains to be felt all across the country, particularly in the afternoon or evening. And if we take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, tomorrow, Tuesday afternoon, we expect some light southerly to southwesterly winds across the western sections of the Visayas, Mimaropa, and western sections of Central Luzon as well, with light southeasterly winds affecting extreme northern Luzon, including Batanes, Babuyan group of islands, while calm to variable winds will be expected across the inland areas of Luzon and Mindanao. By Wednesday afternoon, we continue to experience some calm to variable winds across the inland areas of the country, including Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao, with some light southeasterly winds across extreme northern Luzon and southerly winds over the Calayan Island group, Scarborough or Panatag Shoal, as well as the coastal areas of the western Philippines. And on Thursday afternoon, calm to variable winds will continue to persist and now it's been enveloping the whole of the Philippine Islands, except for some very light winds from the southeast across the Calayan, Babuyan, and Batanes group of islands. So it will be calm on Thursday afternoon, but expect those thunderstorms to persist, especially in the afternoon or evening. Okay, we have here a large high pressure area, so the ridge is forecast to extend all the way towards the Philippine Islands, but expect some thunderstorms to again affect the country. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Monday, and we will return on Wednesday to give you more updates on the weather. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MrTyphoon.tv, or youtube.com/Mr. Typhoon, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated. Click the like button on our videos, as well as at our Facebook page, MrTyphoon.com, or Facebook.com/Mr. Typhoon for the latest situation. And also don't forget to click on the star button on the Facebook videos for support of our advocacy. And there you go. That's the latest. And we will return again on Wednesday. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel. Good day to all.